Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about the top colleges for BTech under IPU University. In our first, second and third part, we have discussed a lot of information about IPU University. Please refer. Now talking about the top 4 BTech colleges, the first college comes is University School of Information Communication Technology. College is situated in Dwarka. It comes under the GGS IPU University. College is established in 1998 when the university is established, so this college is established along with that. Program offered by this college is BTech CS with 60 seats, BTech IT with 60 seats and BTech ECE with 60 seats. Now, as far as the placements are concerned, it has good placements. The average placements is 4.5 lakh per annum and the highest placements has been 42 lakhs. Now, compared to that, what is the fees available? What is the fees for this program? The fees for this program is around 75,000 to 80,000 per annum. So you could see the fees and the placements are pretty good, and 4.5 lakh, 3.5 lakh placements from BTech is considered to be a pretty good placements. Now talking about the second college is Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology. Maharaja Agrasen, in short form we call it MAIT. It has been established in 1999, situated in Rohini. Programs offered by this college is BTech CS with 180 seats, BTech IT with 180 seats, BTech EC with 186, BTech in EEE with 186, BTech in Mechanical Automation Engineering with 180 seats, and from last year they have started Mechanical Engineering with 60 seats. They have evening session as well. In evening session they run BTech in Computer Science with 60 seats. As far as the placements is concerned, for CS and IT the average placements is 4.5 to 5 lakhs, so it's pretty good. For Mechanical and Electrical the average placements is little low, it is 3.4 lakh. The highest placements has been 24 lakh offered by Amazon. Now the fees was earlier 97,000 per year, but the last year the fees has been increased to 1,17,200 is the annual fee for the program that you need to pay for this college. The third college under IPU is BBPIT, Bharati Vidyapit Institute of Technology. This college has been established in 1999. Now it is situated in Paschim Bihar. Now the programs offered by this college is BTech EC with 120 seats, BTech CS with 60 seats, BTech EC with 60 seats, BTech in EEE in 60 seats, BTech in ICE with 60 seats, and they have evening session as well, CS, IT and EC, and each of this program is having 60 seats each. The average placements has been 3.5 lakh. The highest placements is 12 lakh. Mostly for CS and IT, 95 to 100% placements is available, and the placements is little low. As far as the fees is concerned, the fee for this program is 1,70,200 as like Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology. Now the fourth college under IPU is MSIT. MSIT stands for Maharaja Surajmal Institute of Technology. This college has been established from 2001 and it is situated in Janakpuri, West Delhi. As far as the program is concerned, the programs offered by this college is BTech in EC with 120 seats, BTech in CS with 186, BTech in ECE with 60 seats, BTech in EEE in 60 seats, and they have evening session as well in CS, IT and EC with 60 seats each. As far as the placements is concerned, the placements for this college is average placements is 3.5 lakh and the highest placements has been 14 lakh. So this is pretty good placements. Again, 90% student from CSC gets placed and around 80-85% from other courses get placed. As far as the fees is concerned, fees again like all private entities, the fees is 1,70,200. Now the one information about the reservations. As USITC is a government college, the reservation for this college is 85% seats is reserved for Delhi students and 50% seats is reserved for outside Delhi students. For other three colleges that I talked about here, 10% seats are reserved for management quota, and from the remaining seats 85% is reserved for Delhi students and 15% reserved for outside Delhi students. So this is the reservation policy has been followed. So and other SC/ST reservations and armed forces student reservations is there, but if I talk about horizontal reservation, this is the reservations available with IB College. Now, this is the information that I wanted to share with you. In our next video, we'll be talking about another 4 colleges for BTech. If you have any particular questions, queries, if you want to know anything in particular, please write in the comment sections or call us on our number. Our counselor will get in touch with you for that. Student, if you are looking for a professional guidance from your form fill up to your counseling process, and then afterwards your selection, there are a lot of paperwork has to be done. So for that, we are giving a professional guidance to the students and candidates who are interested. For that, you need to register with us for a paid counseling with a nominal charges available. For the charges and other details, you can call us on that particular number and we will get back to you with all the details. Now this is all for the day, and if you have any other things that you want to know, please write back to us. Like, share and subscribe this video. We'll be coming to another video. We'll be coming up with another video very soon. Take care, stay home and stay safe. Thank you. Namaskar.